how to check in online with Sunexpress. And first things first, before you will go to this Sunexpress Airlines official website, you'll have to get your booking details prepared or on hand. Now, just simply open up any preferred browser that you want. Now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video and just head directly to sunexpress.com. Now, you do not need to log in with this specific website right here. All you have to do once you're here is just simply click on check in right side on book a flight. Now, this is going to be the page in which you'll have or you need your booking details prepared. So you'll just have to input your booking code, your booking name, and your surname. Now, if you would like to add additional information for this fields right here, you'll just have to fill it out first and you'll just have to click on confirm. Now, once everything is confirmed, SunExpress Airlines will be the ones to um, find the specific booking schedule for you and you will gonna be have the option to check in online.